Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Open it, silly.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Merry Christmas!
Is it heavy?
Yes. Oh my gosh! It's a puppy!
What do you think, babe?
Oh my gosh, I love it! Oh my gosh, she's so cute!
Move back, guys.
What is it?
Maisie.
What is this?
What is it?
Natalie, try just pulling the lid off. Natalie. Maisie.
What is it?
Oh! Oh, don't scream. He's frightened. She's frightened. Oh. Oh, look. Everyone.
Guys, meet your new puppy.
Oh my god!
I'm
crying.
You're being taped. It's okay. I thought you would hurt her name. Her name is Half Pint.
Oh my god!
And not have 4 legs.
Best reaction.
Get your blanket.
Oh.
What is that? That's a little Sadie's? What is that? It's a puppy. Whose puppy?
Oh my god! Oh my, what the heck? Where'd that come from?
I don't know.
Where'd that come from? What the heck? Oh my.
What was it?
What? Oh my god!
I didn't see anything.
I got a dog! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
What do you think of that?
Yeah.
Huh? What
Oh,
do you
is
think
this our dog?
This is our dog.
Oh my god, it's a German Shepherd.
Don't scream. Don't scare.
Wow, can you believe it? I'm gonna cry.
This is your doggy that Mommy and Daddy got for y'all for Christmas.
Yeah.
That is so awesome.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Hey, wait, but to stay in there.
what kind is that?
What kind did you want?
Oh my gosh. Oh.